In this video we're going to look at probability. Probability is just a measure of how likely something is to happen. In other words, the chance of a particular outcome. So for example, what are the chances of getting tails when we flip a coin? Well, there are two possibilities and there's one opportunity to get a tail. So we have a 1 in 2 chance of getting a tail. This can also be written as a fraction. You have one opportunity out of two possibilities. Indeed, as there's equal chance of getting a head or a tail, we could say we have an even chance or a 50-50 chance. In this example, we're asked the probability of getting a 4 when we roll a dice. Well, a dice is numbered 1 to 6, so there are 6 possibilities. But there's only one opportunity of getting a 4, so we have a 1 in 6 chance. This next question asks us the probability of getting either a 4 or a 6 when the dice is rolled. Well, the number of possibilities won't change. It's still going to be 6. But this time we've got two opportunities. We can get either a 4 or a 6. We've got a 2 in 6 chance. And we can simplify this fraction down by dividing the top and the bottom by 2 to get 1 over 3, or a 1 in 3 chance. In a similar way, this question asks us the probability of the spinner landing on a green sector. Now there's 4 different colours, but there are 8 different sectors. So there's 8 possibilities. But only 3 opportunities. So we have a 3 in 8 chance of the spinner landing on green. And the probability of the spinner landing on the blue sector? Well, there are 2 blues and 8 possibilities, which is a 2 out of 8 chance. And again, if we divide by 2, this will simplify down to a 1 in 4 chance. There are several different ways that we can show a probability. We can show it as a fraction like we did before. We can change each of the fractions into decimals. For example, 1/4 would be 0.25, a half would be 0.5, 3/4 would be 0.75, 1 would still be 1, 0 would be 0. And we can show it as a percentage. So we could have 0%, 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100% chance of something happening. We can also show this on a probability line. A probability line allows us to visually show the chances of an outcome. The probability scale runs from left to right, with left being impossible, all the way to the right being certain. If we're halfway along the probability line, we have an even chance, such as getting tails when we flip a coin. Other events might be very unlikely, like winning the lottery, for example, whereas it's very likely that we're going to have some rainfall in the next year.